how to open a business account online with Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you ready to start or grow your business? Well, here is how to open a business account online with Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you can simply click on open an account and after that you can simply select business account. And now here you need to fill out now here you have to choose the type of business account that fits your needs such as checking, savings or merchant services. And there you simply have to fill out your business information including legal name, tax ID, business type and contact details. And with that you also have to provide owner information including social security number, address and any required identification documents. And there you simply have to select initial deposit amount and funding source and then review account terms and disclosures. And with that you can just click submit to open your account and you will receive confirmation online and via email. And that's it. That's how you can open a business account online with Regions Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.